What's up? It's your boys, Nate and Miles, back with an exclusive Pokemon unboxing.
Let's get it going.
Cool. All right, here's the packs.
We got three brilliant stars, 2 darkness ablaze, and 1 double V-box.
All right, which one are we doing first?
Let's just do this one. Brilliant stars. So close. Okay, here it is.
What are you looking for?
The rainbow Charizard in this one.
How many Charizards do we have already, or do you have?
12.
Nice.
I don't know the pack trick, so I'm just gonna go for it.
You gonna do the little shuffle thing?
I don't know how, because I'm just gonna see. Let's just see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay,
Which one's the good one, or the best one, you say?
This one. Muck.
Nice.
But a muck.
On to the next one.
Let's just do no.
What's your favorite Pokemon?
Charizard.
Charizard? How many do you have again?
How many Charizards?
Yeah.
12.
12.
Okay, hopefully I get something good.
Gentle.
Scroll to the bottom.
What if you just ripped it open and ripped the card in half? Not my Charizard.
The rainbow. Hopefully there's something good because I don't have anything good yet in these.
Still got lots of packs.
Oh, hopefully. 1, 2, 3, 4. To the front. Okay. Okay. Oh, Mewtwo. That's actually cool.
Mewtwo?
That's actually cool.
Awesome. Let's set it aside somewhere in like a different pile.
Okay.
Let's start a good pile and then our all other cards.
Then just rares. Muck. Find the muck. Just normal. Get shiny.
He's got his Pokeball Lego.
Yeah.
Good at making Lego stuff.
Yep. Just a second. Okay, let's just do the last brilliant stars.
What pack is it?
Brilliant stars.
Oh, okay.
Type. If there is a Charizard in here, I don't know if there's another new pack, but this is cool.
You gotta get your auntie to do one of these videos with us too.
Yeah.
She's a Pokemon freak.
Okay. 4. I think I see something.
All right, let's see.
Ooh, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess what is this? Oh.
It's different.
Yeah.
V-Star? I wonder what it is.
Oh, I think I've seen it. Yeah. Yeah, I see something. I see something. Yes.
Oh,
Ooh.
what is it?
It's a more Pecco. More
Pecco?
Pecco, I
See it.
think.
Look at that beauty.
Sleep.
Nice. You can put it in the thing
No,
afterwards.
we'll sleep.
You want to do it now?
Yeah, I'll sleep right now.
It is a nice one.
Yeah. Well, I guess we got it.
Cool.
And I'll just leave this one too. This one's cool. This one's cool. This one's cool. I'm gonna put it in. Good.
I've never seen one of those. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, I think I've seen one of those, but it's like only Brilliant Stars.
All right, what's the next pack? What kind are they?
Darkness Ablaze.
Darkness Ablaze coming up.
I think all of these have like Rainbow Charizards.
All of them have Rainbow Charizards?
Yeah.
Oh, you mean you can get a Rainbow Charizard?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
There's different types. Like that one, they came with it. Altitude, Rainbow. Okay, Charizard pack. Let's go. Okay. Let's do all the Charizard. One of these two packs, shiny or which way? Okay, good. 4 different. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the fronts. And energy, yes, that's good.
What is it?
It's a I forgot.
Surfetched?
Yeah, Surfetched. Yeah,
Nice.
Guess I'll just start my Darkness Blaze battle right there.
Same type of pack?
Yeah, Darkness Blaze.
And then at the end we have
Oh,
the
Charizard.
Champions Path.
Yep, 4 Champions battle. The total of packs are like 9 packs? Yeah, I think there's 9. Hopefully I get something good. I'm gonna run out the door if I get like one of those. They're so squeaky.
All right.
Oh!
Let's go.
Scissor VMAX.
Oh my goodness.
I did not see that.
Got to get a sleeve for that one.
Yep. I don't have this in my collection. It's cool. What's the others? Yeah, it's the others. Let's go. Let's go.
All right. What packs are we on to?
The Champions Path. Champions Path.
Nice.
Yeah, we're told.
Let's get the big one open.
Big box.
What big card did you get?
Double.
It's an interesting name.
Yeah, it is an interesting name. Okay, it's gonna be a lot of garbage.
Lots of packs.
Yes, there is. Is there a Charizard? No, no Charizard packs. What if I get a Charizard right now? Hey, we got a big card.
You can put it on the, set it up there.
Yeah. Actually, yeah. Put it right there.
Nice.
Cool. This is cool. This is cool. Hey, we got another one.
What is it? Oh yeah,
It's a double. Okay. Sleeve. Okay, right there. Just put it right there. Okay. Was there 2 of those? That's my question.
All right, first Champions Pack Path. It's like a tongue twister.
Okay. Chose this. Okay. Now, what if we pull the Rainbow Charizard right now? There's one video. This is.
We will celebrate louder than anyone has ever celebrated in this house.
No way. see
right.
something good. Is it 4 or 3? I'm just gonna do 4. 1,
Okay.
2, 3, 4. Yeah.
All right, let's see them.
I can see its spots. Hopefully it. What if it's another like crazy VMAX? That'd be sick. Oh, I don't have this one. Lucario.
Nice.
Lucario.
Is it a V?
No, it's
Nice.
just a V.
Mario
It's just a V. Lucario. No, Mario.
Mario?
No.
I didn't know Mario was in the Pokemon.
This is cool. First single pack, we got Lucario. I seen that one got pulled and I wanted it so bad.
All right, let's see what else we got.
Okay.
Champions Path number 2.
What if we get all good stuff? I don't think we're gonna get anything, but we could see. Because we never know. Oh! Oh, I didn't do the pack trick. Oh. Well, I
Nice,
didn't know
though.
that.
Got
Yeah.
Champ.
Champ. Those are very common, but they're nothing. Okay.
Plastic sleeves.
I thought all
Nice.
sleeves were plastic.
Besides your shirt. All right. Number 3. Champions Path
No, this is number 2. We
number
did 2.
3.
I don't know. These things are. Oh, 2.
All right. Let's see
Rip
what-
them. Oh, that was easy. Well, that was easy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Is it done? Yeah. What if we pull another shiny Charizard?
Fingers crossed. Let's see. Come on.
It's shiny.
going.
So shiny. Oh. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Number 3.
Oh my
Let's go.
goodness! What? There's no chance.
What is this one called again? The
Shiny Charizard or Secret
Shiny
Rare?
Charizard. I cannot believe you got another one.
Oh my gosh! I can't believe.
Just so you all know, this is our 3rd one of those.
This video is gonna go viral. Her 3rd. Oh my!
Oh,
I can't believe that.
got it on camera.
Yes. Good thing we saved this. This is crazy. What if we pull another shiny? That'd be cool. Like the craziest thing ever.
That would be insane.
I was like, that shiny.
We knew it. We were feeling it.
I was like,
Mommy even said that too. She said, I got a feeling you're going to get something good this time. And look at that.
goodness gracious. That's so cool. Wait, did I do? Whatever. I don't care. Yeah, I didn't do it. Oh, well, that's good. Yeah.
Nice.
Well, that's good.
The gem is right
Oh
there.
my god.
Let's go.
I'm so hyper right now.
Awesome. Well, that's all the packs we got to open.
This is one of like
One of the best sessions we've had. Look at all that good stuff.
Oh my god.
Unreal. Like, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.
Fun. Bye.
Later.
Later.